Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we'll take a look at Great British Pound because it's a long time since we have taken a look at it last time. On the euro currency, as you can see, this is hourly chart, guys, on euro currency. So here you can see that mostly market still keeps the same setup that we have discussed in the weekly report. It seems that euro has real difficulties with that. You can see this very choppy and sloppy action right at the bottom of the right arm of our possible hand shoulders pattern, but anyway, euro still holds these lows and keeps chances on the possible upward action. So we do not see yet the failure as here's minor hand shoulders as a bullish grabber that we have on the daily chart. We said if market will take it out of these lows, this will change situation significantly. But until this will happen, odds exist that euro could show higher upward action. What will be the target of this action? Currently it's difficult to say. The first point that we have specified was the confidence resistance around 1460 area, some kind of the ABCD action. That's the first target that we'll be watching for, and after that we will decide. It's depending on the way how market will reach this target, or maybe will not reach. So on the euro currency, everything stands mostly the same, and we just need to wait a bit more and see what the progress will be with this situation. Meantime, we could take a look at the Great British Pound, because on the Great British Pound, some interesting moments exist and important targets have been met, and that could form the allure of possible reversal. But to be honest, guys, I have the negative view on the Great British Pound by two major reasons. On the fundamental point of view, there's nothing good stands right now for Great Britain. The Brexit situation with inner problems and the statistics of the economy is not very good. So it's nothing really positive that could change the direction of the currency right now. So I do not see any big reasons from the fundamental point of view. From the technical point of view, it's another moment. So take a look, guys. Here, actually, we have the perfect ABCD patterns forming. And recently, last week, market has hit AB equals CD, the completion of the OP target. And this was also the FIB support. This is the 618 major support. So that was the major support agreement on the Great British Pound. And see what really has happened. Nothing. So market just collapsed through it without no response. So I can't call even this minor bounce as a response. So this is not the response for such strong support area. So market has passed through it as it now exists. And this is really big sign. So also take a look at these nasty candles. They're 2 times greater than any upward candle here, and all of them have mostly tail closing. So this is very negative. Currently market stands at the minor support. You can see this is the weekly monthly pivot support 1. So actually this is the last support that stands till these lows. And the maximum that could happen here is some retracement. So XLP target stands at 2650. So it's slightly below these lows. I think that probably sooner rather than later market will continue downward action. Hardly it will be hit on this week because it still stands beyond the oversold on the daily oversold on the weekly on the daily chart. But this downward action probably will continue based on the situation that we have at this major FIB support area. And personally, I have opinion that Great British Pound continue to become weaker. So in a shorter term perspective, from the 4-hour time frame chart, what actually we have today? Today, actual market stands in the long-term downward channel. That was our initial entry point when we said it's perfect. If you remember, regardless cheaper to sell, we have talked about it 2 weeks ago. and said this is a great opportunity to go short because this was catalyst cheaper to sell, and take a look at this candle of the bouncing has become the reversal one, and I said that it's very good. So since then market stands to the downside, and now it's following with these targets of this minor A, B, C, D pattern. So it has hit OP here, minor bounce, collapse again. Now market stands at the monthly pivot support on minor retracement. XOP stands at 27.40, and if we would suggest the appearing of the butterfly here, this also will be 27.29, 27.30. Now 10 pips difference is a good agreement with the target. That is the nearest target that we have on Great British Pound. So that being said, since major targets already has been passed and market has passed for the major support without no response, I think that this downward action is more probable. Today, most probable targets could be hit this one, but in the perspective of the week, maybe even a bit longer, we could watch for a 26.50 destination point on the Great British Pound. So that's our current view on the cable. What else we could say? Here, guys, we have very good thrust down. It doesn't have yet the necessary number of candles, but any meaningful retracement here within 1 or 2 sessions, we will get 8 bars to the downside here. No significant retracement with this thrust, and any meaningful retracement here on the daily chart, for example, retesting of the disrespected area. Sometimes it happens. Market very often retest the strong levels that has been passed without any respect, such as the confidence supports or agreements. This also could happen. So any 30% retracement here, this could become the brand buy the sell. That's another pattern that you could watch for. So this is our view on the cable. Now let's see what the progress will be here.